Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin with opening settings. Then click on connected devices and tap on pair new device. After that, just wait for available ones to show. When they do, you need to click on the chosen one. Now select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you don't want them to be connected, you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to the device, tapping on forget and confirming your choice in this pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one again, you need to choose pair new device, wait for it to show and tap on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!